Hello students, how are you? Hope that you all are fine and working hard for your schoolwork as well as your household works. In today's class, we are going to explain the concept of exponent and power, that is class 8th. We have already discussed the question number 1 and 2. In today's class, we are going to explain the question number 3 of exercise 13.1. Sorry, exercise 12.1. So we have already studied about this exponent and power in class 7th also, and in our previous videos we have done the revision class, we have done the concept related to 7th class, we have also discussed the question number 1 and 2 of 13.1. Now in today's class we are here to explain the question number 3rd of this exercise. The question is that 3 raised to power 0 plus 4 raised to power minus 1 into 2 raised to power 2. How can we do it? Yes students, look at the board carefully, look at the video carefully. 3 raised to power 0 can be written as 1 and 4 raised to power minus can be written as 1 by 4, and 2 raised to power 2 can be written as 4. 2 raised to power 2 can be written as 4. Now what will we do? We will take the LCM and it would be 4 plus 1 into 4, and the 4 will be cancelled out to 4. The result will be 5 by 4 into 4. The result is 5. The result is 5. Again I am repeating that 3 raised to power 0, we will use the law of zero exponent, then it can be written as 1. It can be written as 1. A raised to power 0 can be written as 1, and a raised to power minus 1 can be written as its multiplicative inverse. It can be written as in its multiplicative inverse. Then what will we do? We will take the LCM and we will try to solve it. We will take the LCM and we will try to solve it. So by taking LCM we will get 4 plus 1 upon 4. 4 1 plus 1 5. 5 by 4 into 4. 4 is cancelled out to 4. The result is 5. Any doubt students? If you have any doubt, then you can ask me, you can call me. As few of them you are calling me, you are trying to get the previous chapters. I am always available for you. Please don't waste your time. We are always for you. Next one is the second part of this, 2 raised to power minus 1 into 4 raised to power minus 1 divided by 2 raised to power minus 2. So how can we write it? It can be written as 1 upon 2. It can be written as 1 upon 4 divided by, it can be written as 2 raised to power 2. Now how will you do it? 1 upon 8 divided by 1 raised to power 2 raised to power 2 can be written 1 by 4. Now what will we do? We will reciprocate it. It can be written as 4 by 1. 4 ones are 4, 2. The result is half. The result is half. Students, again 2 raised to power minus 1 can 2 raised to power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 2. 4 raised to power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 4 divided 1 upon 2. We can write it multiplicative inverse of this, and 2 raised to power 2 minus multiplicative inverse is 1 upon raised to power 2 raised to power 2. 2 raised to power 2 can be expanded and it can be written as 1 by 4, and same it can be written as 1 by 4 to the 8. Now we will reciprocate it. We will reciprocate it and get the result 1 by 2. Is that clear students? Now the question number, part number 3rd of this. One by 2 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 raised to power minus 2. How can we do it? 2 upon 1 raised to power minus 2 can be written as 2. We will write the multiplicative inverse of it. It can be written as 3 upon 1 raised to power 2, and it can be written as 4 upon 1 raised to power 2. It can be written as 2 raised to power 2 plus 3 raised to power. It can be written as 3 raised to power 2 plus 4 raised to power 2. It can be written 2 raised to power 2 and 3 raised to power 2 and 4 raised to power 2. It means 2 raised to power 2 4, 3 raised to power 2 9 and 4 raised to power 16. The result is 29. The result is 29. Students, if you have any doubt in this, you can ask me, you can contact me. Again, I am repeating them. Now remaining 2 parts for your homework, students. Is that clear? Now we are going here for the question number 4th, part 1. 8 raised to power minus 1 into 5 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power minus 4. How can we solve it? This 8 raised to power minus 1 can be written as 8 1 upon 8, and this 2 raised to power minus 4 can be reciprocated and can be written as 2 raised to power 4. Now we have to simplify, evaluate करना ना, we have to evaluate that. So what can we write? 5 raised to power 3 means 5 into 5 into 5, and it can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1 by 8, 125 into 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. 8 1 the 8, 2. 125 into 2, 250. The result is 250. Any doubt, students? One part is for your homework. That is part number 2nd. Please attempt your homework. Submit it on now on my personal number. No need to send your homework and in group. Just you have to watch the video. You have to like the video. You have to subscribe the video. The homework must be given. The homework must be on my personal WhatsApp group, or sorry, my personal number. Is that clear, students? If you have any doubt, so from now we are going to start one of the important question. Student, all these types of questions also asked in the class 9th also. Yes, in class 9th you will also do this question. In class 9th you will also learn these questions. These questions are in class 9th in exercise, in chapter 1, in the last exercise 1.6. So students, don't forget to revise them, to watch the video. The 5th question is, find the value of m. So 5 raised to power m divided by 5 raised to power minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to power 5. How can we do it? 5 raised to power m divided, first of all it will be, how will you do it? First of all it will be multiplicative inverse. The multiplicative inverse of 5 raised to power minus 3 is 1 raised to power 1 upon 5 raised to power 3. How will you do it now? How will you do it now? Now it can be again divide and will be multiplied, and this will be the inverse reciprocal of this. 1 by 5 3, reciprocal of 1 upon 5 raised to power 3 is equal to 5 raised to power 3. Now sorry, here we have to write m. Now in this case the base are same, so the power would be added. The base are same, so the power would be added. So on here m plus 3 is equal to 3. M plus 3 is equal to 3. M plus 3 is, sorry students, I have done a mistake. It is 5. Sorry for that. 5. M is equal to 5 minus 3. The question is here 5, 5, 5 and 5 raised to power 5. By mistake I have written the 3. So m 5 minus 3. The result is 2. Now a question must be arising in your mind that how we equalize that. Students, one thing I want to say that if a raised to power m is equal to a raised to power n, if a raised to power m is equal to a raised to power n, then in that case m is equal to n. M is equal to n. I am repeating, this is one of the most important question. Yes students, don't forget, this is one of the most important question. 5 raised to power m divided 5 raised to power minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to power 5. What you have to do? You have to find the value of m. Then in that case 5 raised to power minus 3 can be written as 1 upon 5 raised to power 3 and 5 is equal to 5 raised to power 5. Now this divide will be multiplied and here we use the reciprocal of it. The reciprocal of 5 raised to power 3 will be written as 1 upon 5 raised to power 3 is written as 5 raised to power 3. Now the base are same, so the powers are added. How will we will apply the law of addition. A raised to power m into a raised to power n is equal to a m plus n. In the same way I have written, these now power are same because when the bases are same, bases are equal, in that case power should be or power are equal. So we will equalize them. M plus 3 is equal to 5 raised to power 5. M plus 3 is equal to 5. The result is m is equal to 2. So in this case we find the value of m. I am again repeating, this is one of the most important question that will be asked in your examination. So students, move to the next. Did you get it? Did you get it? If not, then you can ask me. Next one is question number 6. First part. How can we write it? It can be written as 3 raised to power 1 multiplicative inverse. It can be written as 4 raised to power 1 into minus 1. Now what will we do? This is simple multiplication. 3 minus 4. The result is minus 1. What will be the answer? The result will be when it is 1 and the power is negative and it is also odd. So the result will be minus 1. The answer will be minus 1. Or you can write it as 1 upon minus 1 raised to power 1, or it means minus 1. It means minus 1. This is the sixth question. First part we have done, and the last one, this is a simple question we are doing, and in the next video we will do the 7th question. Second part, 5 upon 8 raised to power minus 7 into 8 by 5 minus 4. So how can we do it? It can be written as 8 by 5 raised to power minus 7, and it can be written as 5 upon 8 raised to power 4. So it can be written as 8 by 5 raised to power 7, and it can be written as 5 upon 8 raised to power 4. Now we can rewrite it separately. It can be written as 8 raised to power 7, 5 raised to power 7 into 5 raised to power 4 and 8 raised to power 4. Now we will apply the law. 7 minus 4 into 5, 7 minus 4, 8 raised to power 3 into 5 raised to power 3, 8 raised to power 3, 5 raised to power 3. This would be 4 minus 7. The result will be minus 5. Again students, 8 raised to power 3 into 1 upon 5 raised to power 3. How can we write it? 8 raised to power 3 means 5 1 2 and 5 raised to power 3 is 125. Student, complete this. In the next class we will discuss the question number 7. Please don't forget to revise. Question number 5 is most important. Thank you students. We will meet in next video.